oh, 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 oh. My mind is hurting me, doubting me, doubting what I can do. My God's got a vision for me, building on me, leading me through the dark. But I know you're wrong.
Yeah, flowers. Yeah. Ndimanxeba kuphela ithemba mntakamama ndiwanvuka nzame impilo bayandleba. I don't give a damn. All I want is to make it and push it over kulala ityhoba cause siphila unyoba ngonyonyoba I want to end. Sifuna impilo engcono sifuna uphila ubomi obubhetere sihlanjwe izono kuphela inzondo kwanduthando cause we're here to learn. I got my baby, I got my nephews, got a lot to learn and understand ngigcwale grand. Can you imagine if a legend was so patient up to stand it? Uthatha ingcosekazi usifundise start a program ungayenzi ngawe ngoba nawe le knowledge unayo bayayifuna nabo. Matter of fact I respect them. Uba singangqondwanye sifundisane sixolelane sincedisane sicebisane sibonisane singaphumelela sikwazi uzimela phela umona inkohlakala engaka emntwini omnyama londo yonto igrand.
Ukuba usebenzele imali ya respected nami ngisebenzele ekhaya respected.
Respected.
Respected.